Hey everyone, technology has come a long way since the start of the 21st century. We now have things that were just dreams a few decades ago. It got me thinking, what will the world look like in 2050? I did some research, and here's what I found. Let's take a look. Nanotechnology. First up, nanotechnology. Scientists have been making exciting progress in this field. By 2050, tiny nanobots could be inside our brains, helping us connect to the virtual world faster than ever. With brain-computer interfaces, we might not need phones or calculators anymore. Just imagine, you could solve problems, look up information, or even make calls with just a thought. 3D printing. Next is 3D printing. Right now we can already 3D print tools and even houses, but by 2050, this tech will be much more advanced. We might be able to print cars, furniture, and even food. If 3D food printers become a reality, they could help solve big issues like world hunger. Imagine printing your dinner at home. Medical advancements. The future of medicine is also exciting. By 2050, we could see a world where some serious diseases like cancer are no longer a threat. Some experts even believe we could upload the information in our brains to computers, preserving our memories and knowledge. While this sounds amazing, new technology can be expensive, so it might take time for everyone to have access. Transportation will also see big changes. Self-driving cars are already being tested, and by 2050 they'll likely be everywhere. This could make our roads much safer and give us more free time, as we won't need to focus on driving. Projects like Elon Musk's Hyperloop are also in the works, which could make travel faster, cheaper, and better for the environment. Speaking of the environment, the future of energy is renewable. By 2050, we'll be using more solar, wind, and ocean power instead of fossil fuels. Companies are working on new ways to generate energy that won't harm the planet. Hopefully, we'll see these changes soon enough to make a big difference. Now let's talk about space. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already pushing the boundaries of space travel. By 2050, space tourism could be real, with people taking vacations to the moon or even Mars. Of course, it will be expensive at first, but who knows? One day it might be as common as flying across the world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already a big part of our lives, and it's only going to get smarter. By the year 2050, AI might be smarter than humans in some ways. This could be both exciting and, well, a bit scary. Robots could take over many jobs, changing the way we work. But if we can make sure they have human values, AI could be a great tool to make life easier. As the job market changes, education will change too. Digital learning became more popular during the pandemic, and by the year 2050 it could be the norm. Online degrees will be more common, and schools might even use AI robots to teach classes. Imagine having a robot teacher who never gets tired and is always ready to help. The metaverse. You might have heard about the metaverse from Facebook. By 2050, this virtual reality world will be much more advanced. You'll be able to do everything from shopping to traveling without leaving your home. It's like having a second life online with your own avatar, exploring different places and meeting people. Money and transactions. Cash is already becoming less common, and by 2050, it might disappear altogether. All transactions will be digital, and your fridge might even order groceries for you when you're running low. No more trips to the store because you forgot the milk. Smart homes. Homes in 2050 will be smarter than ever. Imagine a house that knows how you feel and adjusts the lights or music without you saying a word. You could control your TV with your mind thanks to nanotechnology, or watch a hologram show in your living room. Everything will be more connected and easier to use. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Some ideas of what life could be like in 2050. Of course, not everything will happen exactly as predicted, but with how fast technology is growing, it's fun to imagine. What do you think? Is this the future you want to see? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other content. See you next time.